When I take people out knocking on sellers' doors with me, I tell them that, there's going to be some things that happen today, things you'll see today that you're going to think are set up that you're just not going to believe. And so you see things when you're out knocking on sellers' doors that you're not going to see when you're sitting at home in your underwear on the computer. And a good example is driving through the neighborhood, so I just saw this house for sale, and you're thinking, well, what's unusual about the house? I mean, what can possibly... A helicopter. So when I see something I don't normally see, and I think to myself, why is that there? I'm going to stop and knock on that homeowner's door, because maybe they have a house for sale, maybe they don't, but this is a guy that's building his own helicopter. That's pretty neat. So you see a lot of neat things. So the lesson is this: don't find a reason to not knock on a seller's door. So in this case, I saw a helicopter. I had to stop and talk to him. Y'all take care. Have a great day. Get out and knock on some doors. Talk to some sellers. Bye-bye.